I have had several experiences talking with different doctors about my scoliosis. I was diagnosed when I was 16 years old, and at that time I had a 19-degree curvature in my lower spine. I had an S curve, so I had two curves. And as I got older, the curve got worse. In the last year, I was looking to explore what are my options for helping improve my back, or at least stabilizing it. And a certain doctor was recommended to me, and I called and talked with him for an hour about the condition, and basically I understood that my options were do nothing and watch it get worse, wait until you need surgery and then have surgery, or try this method of a combination of a brace and certain exercises where you spend hours breathing into your curve and stretching in a certain way. The brace was going to cost over $4,000, close to $5,000 when you included getting measured and having it adjusted for your body. And then of course the exercises, there was a weekend workshop that was hundreds of dollars as well. And I was looking at that thinking that was my only option until I went to Julie. And all of a sudden, in Julie's office, I could stand and my spine was more aligned and my hips were more aligned. And my vertebrae were not sticking out as much as they were before. And all of a sudden, I had better motion and I didn't have to spend all that money. It was amazing. So Julie helped me to get back into alignment with who I am and what I'm about. Talking through that with me and just sharing her beautiful warm energy and the divine spirit straightened my back. When I arrived, my hips were an inch off. And when I got off the table after 15 minutes of energy work, my hips were even. I could not believe it. And from when Julie took the pain away from my neck to healing my back, she taught me not to have hesitation and doubt in life.